Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see aerial view on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to see aerial view on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a diamond shaped layer option available for us over here at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the diamond shaped layer at the top right corner of the screen just below the shopping, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be able to view different types of views over here. Now in order to go for the aerial view, tap on the satellite mode, and then your aerial view will be activated where you will be able to view the location which you want on Google Maps from the aerial site itself. You can see right this way, guys. And with that being said, guys, in order to see the aerial view, just tap on the layered type diamond icon at the top right corner of the screen over here, and when this interface appears, tap on the satellite or any view through which you want to watch on the Google Maps. And that being said, guys, this is how to see aerial view on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.